So when I'm saying that this thing, it is really strong, I'm not joking. You're gonna see that in a few seconds. But the bottom line is that you have this one, which is the 24-inch, which is already pretty big. And you also have the 20 inches and the 30 inches. The 30 inches must be massive. But this thing is actually pretty easy to put together. It took me about like 20 minutes, no more than that. It also has, let me show you, base with wheels that you can lock and you can move around. So that is pretty good to have, and just making sure that you can move it around, because this one for outdoors is going to be fantastic. So that is really cool, and you can leave it outside as well. Of course, if it is going to be protected from the rain, that's going to be better, but you can leave it outside if you want. This one also has a really long cable, so that's another good thing to have. And by the way, you can adjust it if you want. You can adjust the pole if you want, so that is really good that you can kind of like change the height as well. But then let me show you something. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just turn it on, and the first speed, it's just going to be just something chill, nothing too crazy. I do want to show that it comes with the oscillating fact. So having the oscillating is really good. Actually, I set it up in the max, so still that way, that's better. So it comes with the oscillating. So if you're having dinner or lunch with friends and family outside, having the oscillating is really good, so everyone can enjoy a little bit of this. But then, well, let me show you something. Oh boy, because this one, I'm gonna set it up in max, and you're gonna see two things. You're gonna hear one thing and see another one. So this one is in max right now. I'm gonna actually, this is my microphone, I'm gonna get it on the way, and you're gonna hear how this thing blows. Hear it out. Oh wow, this thing blows hard. But let me show you something else. This one right here, take a look at this. This thing, yeah, this is kind of like heavy, a little bit heavy, and you can see how this one is going. This thing is massive, super powerful, big, and perfect for the summer days outside.